Hello everyone. In this video lecture we will discuss about 4M of quality control and inspection processes. 4M here stands for man, machine, material and machining process or method which we are using to complete that product. Based on the it is the based on the team inspection approach. The term we are talking about 4M. It is highly technical and specialized testing equipments, procedures, data manipulated, as well scientific laboratory operations will be evaluated in the 4M category. The inspection of a laboratory requires the use of observations of the laboratory in operation and of the raw laboratory data to evaluate compliance with CGMP. Inspection 4M. First, we are talking about machines. Inspection should confirm that preventive maintenance, cleaning, adjustment on machines are well performed. Machine usage, maintenance, calibration log, repair log should be examined during the inspection process. Verify that the equipment were in good working order at the time the batches were analyzed. Here, these all form the inspecting of machines, like which type of machine we are using, the maintenance process which we are using on machine, calibration logs, and the repair records, like when it previous maintenance has done or servicing has done, or how many parts at which time of interval uh, it is replaced in this machine. And it also verify and examine that the overall each and every component in that particular machine in good working condition or not. This is the overall form inspection of machines. Here are the method or process which we are using to complete our product. Like, information regarding validation of method should be carefully evaluated. Here, what's need at the time of applying method or at the time of applying process. All processes that may cause deviation to a device specification and all validated process must be monitored and controlled. Must be monitored and controlled here. Obviously, the control is done by the operator who is operating that machine, or who is responsible for operating that particular method or process with the help of that machine on any workpiece or any job. If the process is software controlled, first confirm that the software was validated. If our process is automated and it is software controlled, then firstly we should confirm that this software is validated or not, licensed version or not. Review the software documents, software validation activities, software change control, and the software validation result to confirm that software will meet user need. If our process is overall automation, like we talking about CNC, uh, CNC lathe, CNC milling, then before the starting of any process on CNC lathe machine, it must be checked the software documents, its license version, uh, its generation, its validation activities, and what are the various changes is compatible with this software. And overall examine the that particular type of software, and in the last we will sure that it overall it meets user needs or not. Here are the materials requirement or inspection of raw material requirement. This is the third M. Raw material testing is of utmost important as it directly affects the quality of final product, because our final product is finally made from raw material, and if the quality of raw material is poor, then surely it will be go through the bad quality of finished good also. Hence inspection should examine the analysis of materials including purity test, quality test and chart test, etc. Inspect if the method for analyzing the purity were validated or not. Also, not for the inspecting the material, also we have to inspect the proper method which we are using to calculate the quality of raw material. The manufacturer must have complete knowledge about manufacturing process and the potential impurities that may appear in raw materials. These impurities cannot be evaluated by without a suitable method and one that has been validated. Overall, it is saying that we have to check first the quality of raw material, because the overall quality of the finished good is only dependent on the quality of raw material. And if we are checking the quality of raw material, then it must examine that overall processes, overall examine parameters, overall testing parameter which we are using to test the quality, or which we are using to test the characteristics of raw material. The fourth M is man. Man here represent to operator or labor. Either it would be a skilled labor or it would be a non-skilled labor. First, we have to confirm that the person who is working as an operator have been qualified to implement validated process or not. Means uh, the person who is employed on that machine for particular operation, he must have uh, best knowledge of that operation process and that machining process and the properties of raw material on which uh, we are going to apply machining process. Appropriately trained to implement process which yield result that can be fully verified. uh, we should try to employ trained manpower for the automation process. It should be confirmed that the employee have complete knowledge of device and process, as we have discussed earlier. Employee has complete knowledge of devices and knowledge about working of various components of that device and the processes which is done by that particular machines. Confirm that employee are aware of the device defect that may occur as a result of improper performance. Uh, he should also knows about the device defect and the device life period and the component life period of that device, and if any occur found during the running of the device, then he may know the alternate process or alternate process to correct the device or to correct the machining process. It confirmed that the employee conducting quality control tests are aware of defects and errors that may be encountered while performing their responsibilities. It is the responsibility of a quality control team who are employed with quality control department. Then they must have knowledge about characteristics of that product which we are going to produce, the characteristics of the raw material, nature of the raw material, properties of the raw material, like it would be a physical properties, like it would be a chemical properties. Then he able to find out the exact occurrence during the machining process, and he also knows that what are the various suitable method employable or applying for the removing of these type of defects. There are the final inspection. Final inspection is known as also pre-shipment inspection. It is the most popular type of quality control inspection for importers. It takes place once all the products are finished and ready for the shipment. Means quality control and inspection done at the in finished good inventory. The samples are drawn in a random manner, and thus it can be a representative of the whole batch. If we do random sampling, then the overall quality of all samples are dependent on only one sample. If we doing random sampling, here it is a statistical quality control. It is a technique for controlling quality of product using a set of statistical tools. It involves two elements: a statistical process control. This summarized collection of data makes usage of control charts and the acceptance sampling. Here is the control chart. Control chart, primary purpose of control chart is to indicate when production process might have changed sufficiently to affect product quality. If we found any error during the machining process, then we slightly change the machining process for gain our prerequisites qualities of that finished good. Then control chart represent the overall changement of machining process, overall changement of a machine's component for the betterment of product quality. If the indication is that product quality has deteriorated, corrective is taken. If chart regularly shows that the product quality regularly deteriorate, then it's time to take a corrective action and improve the quality of the product. Compare attributes or variables of the sample with that of the standard. Compare attribute here, it represent the quality of the product which we are got from the final product. It is a compare of our prerequisites, a set, a standard prerequisites qualities with the qualities of that product which are coming from the productions. If we found any deviation, then it must change some manufacturing process, some component of machines. This is the overall of the inspection of the using 4M, like material, man, method, and the machines. Here we can also see that the benefits of the control chart. In the next chapter, we will discuss about sampling process for inspection, like random sampling or 100% sampling. Thank you all.